Hi, everyone. My name is Jacqueline, and I'll be walking you through ChatGPT's data analysis capabilities. I'll demonstrate how data analysis can help teams streamline project management tasks and perform data analysis with little to no technical background. So let's jump into how this works in practice. Imagine you're an HR professional tasked with organizing company-wide team building events throughout the year. You're not a project manager, so you need help creating a project plan and analyze relevant data. So in this case, you might start with a prompt like, I am an HR professional tasked with organizing company-wide team building activities. This is my time frame for planning these events. Can you help me create a high-level plan? Once I provide those notes to ChatGPT, it's going to go ahead and start drafting that high-level project plan for us. From here, you can actually upload a PDF of your company's project management guidelines to make the output more specific. Keep in mind, of course, that PDFs are considered unstructured text. So if you're uploading a PDF that includes a lot of graphs and tables, for example, you'll want to convert it to XML or Markdown first, and you can use ChatGPT to do that. Now, from here, I'll go ahead and upload those guidelines. And then we will go ahead and ask ChatGPT to refine our project plan. All right. Once again, ChatGPT is going to use its data analysis capability to generate a project plan based on both your prompt and, in this case, the uploaded company framework. So if we scroll down, you'll see that our plan now includes tables, which is a much easier way for us to visualize the different tasks, the description of each task, the relevant owner, the deliverable, and the respective deadlines. This looks really good. And once it's done, I will go ahead and ask ChatGPT to summarize it for us and export it as a CSV file. And you can see behind the scenes that ChatGPT quickly creates this plan as a downloadable CSV. This allows you to save time on manual spreadsheet creation. Perfect. And from here, I can go ahead and download the project plan summary. Now let's build upon this scenario and compare team building budget allocations from 2023 and 2024 to make better decisions for 2025. So first thing I'll do is provide ChatGPT with our team building budgets, and then a prompt asking it to compare the budget allocations for each department across all quarters and to identify any patterns or anomalies. Okay. And if we look behind the scenes, you'll see that ChatGPT is using Python to analyze the data, identify those trends, and even perform anomaly detection. It's important to remember the human in the loop principle. While ChatGPT is powerful, users must understand their data and always validate the output. Okay, here is our summary. This is perfect. Now, what we're going to do from here is we will ask ChatGPT to help us visualize this data set. Can you visualize the total budget allocation for team building events by department in a bar chart? Okay. And if we take a closer look, you'll see the bar chart is being created behind the scenes. And once these bar charts are created, that'll make it much easier for us to gather insights when comparing data sets. Beautiful. All right, lastly, what we're going to do from here is ask ChatGPT to draft a kickoff email. Please use the data from the project plan and budget analysis to create a concise email to stakeholders introducing the project and inviting them to a kickoff meeting. And it should go ahead and draft that professional email summarizing key project information, roles, and responsibilities in just a few seconds. So in just a few minutes, we've seen how ChatGPT can handle project planning, data analysis, and even a communication task, helping you be more productive and strategic. By applying best practices like preparing clean, structured data, you can really lean into ChatGPT's data analysis capabilities to quickly generate insights. And as a recap, remember to always ensure that data is clean and structured when performing data analysis, using formats like CSV or Markdown where necessary. And always validate your outputs through human in the loop practices.